What's up everybody, JD here with VMP Performance, and beside me I've got a really awesome car. This is the 24 RTR Spec 2. That's the sweepstakes car for Cruise for a Cause. So who is Cruise for a Cause? Cruise for a Cause is an organization that builds a really awesome car once a year for sweepstakes, taking all those proceeds and putting it directly into cancer research. We're going to put a link in the description below so you can find out more details about the founder Dan Neve and his story and why Cruise for a Cause came to be. So this car has already got a slew of awesome parts from partners in the industry such as Anderson Composites and Catskins Interiors, and of course the incredible package built by RTR for the Spec 2 car. But now it's here at VMP for the VMP sauce. What's the VMP sauce, you ask? This particular car is getting a VMP Gen 6 Stage 4 kit. So the Stage 4 kit goes above and beyond the Stage 2 kit by including an 120mm throttle body, the carbon fiber intake tube, and a party pulley at 3.5 inches. That requires E30 and boostane, so the car will actually leave here set up for 93 octane with a 3.75 inch pulley. But of course, we're gonna throw it up there and show you what it's capable of making. The car has already been on the dyno for a baseline, so we're gonna show you that now, and then we'll get started putting it together. So there you have it. The Cruise for a Cause Mustang is off the dyno, and this thing made 848 rear-wheel horsepower and 638 pound-feet of torque, and that's all made possible by the VMP Gen 6 3-liter Stage 4 supercharger kit. Heck of a street car. If you want more information on how you can win this particular vehicle, the links are in the description below to Cruise for a Cause, so you can check out what Dan Neve's got going on and how to get entered. Also, from now until the end of the drawing, every week we're pulling random names out of people that are doing business with us to send over to Dan to get tickets to enter as well. So thank you as always. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.